This is a $50 bill. $50 bill from the United States of America. Let's examine what it looks like. This is the front. You have 50 right here. Serial number in green. On top you have Federal Reserve note. In the upper right hand you have the USA, the United States of America. You have 50 right here. And then you have the Federal Reserve, the Department of the Treasury. What does this say? Something 89. Then you have the serial number right here. And then another 50 on the lower right hand corner with the signature of the Secretary of the Treasury. Remember, this serial number matches with the other serial number right here. So PC 14810A. Go back to the lower right hand corner. You have 50 right here. And then you have Grant, President Grant. And the bottom, you have $50. And then right here on the lower left, you see it said, this note is legal tender for all debts, public and private. Series 2017. You have the signature of the Treasury of the United States. I forgot to mention something. You have the seal of the United States Federal Reserve System. And then, I'm not sure what this is for. It's FWE2. This is the back. On top, you have the United States of America. In God we trust. This is you have the picture of the US Capitol right here. It's the US Capitol. At the bottom you have $50 spelled out. If you look closely, you see 50s all over the place. And on this side too. That's $50. So when you flipped it, it's on the opposite side. So if you were to flip it, you have to flip it this way. I have another one right here. It's $100. Front